Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the Katy Trail Uptown. This is their one bedroom. Isn't it beautiful? The one bedroom is adorable. This is a quick walkthrough. Look at this island. The island's just amazing. We're gonna walk through and see in the kitchen here. Isn't this nice? Wow. Wow, love that. And then look at all this, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous countertops. That's marble, by the way. That is marble. Whoop, marble, beautiful. And then stainless steel appliances. It's just adorable. Look at this, look at this. Whoop, wow, so gorgeous. It's just really delightful. And this is the one bedroom. The bathroom is in there and it looks really, really nice. We're gonna look in there. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Look at that, the dual sinks, 1, 2, there's 2, nice. And then look at that, you got a beautiful shower, really, really nice. This is a beautiful residence. This is a one bedroom, you can see in there the bedroom itself, it's really big. And then, hey, you've got a really nice living room in here, and there is a balcony. Yes, balcony, we're all good there. So beautiful floor plan, right? I love it. Hey, let's see some more details of this. There's a detailed video walkthrough coming really, really shortly.